Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of 5 points bending over the reinforced concrete. Here, let me just hold the concrete here. You can see this is concrete. This is concrete with 38 megapascal compressive behavior. And you can see here, this is the stress, the plastic strain, the plastic equivalent strain, displacement, and everything. You can see that. And let me now to insert the parts, all parts, and remove the concrete and see the rebar. Let me to use render profile BIM. You can see that here. And there is a stress for this, and the maximum stress happen in the rebar. So let me now check the diagram for force displacement. You can see this is a force displacement diagram for that. The maximum capacity for that is here, and after that we have the stiffness degradation and failure in the concrete beam, decreased capacity of the uh, force by increasing the displacement. This is the diagram. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on the blue sign or the title, and then you will have this title, short explanation about the process and simulation, and the results here as a figures. You can see them. This is the diagram and the results. And there are three important points here. The file contains CAE, INP, and English video file step by step at the cost of $30 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay with that, but it is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.